Welcome to our channel, where we provide valuable insights into the world of goat farming. In today's video, we present the ultimate guide to starting a profitable goat farm. If you're passionate about goat farming and dream of running a successful business, you've come to the right place. We'll take you through 7 crucial steps that you need to know in order to lay a strong foundation for your thriving goat farming venture. Step 1. Define your goals and business plan. The journey to a profitable goat farm begins with clarity and vision. Take the time to define your goals and create a comprehensive business plan. Assess the scale of your operation, whether you envision a small-scale hobby farm or a larger commercial enterprise. Understand your target market and their specific needs, and develop effective marketing strategies to reach them. Your financial plan is key, so carefully budget for infrastructure, feed, healthcare, and operational expenses. A solid plan will be your guiding light, setting you on the path to success. Step 2. Choose the right goat breeds. Selecting the right goat breeds is a critical decision for your farm's success. Consider factors like milk production, meat yield, adaptability to your climate, and market demand. Extensive research and consultations with experienced goat farmers or breeders will help you understand the characteristics and pros and cons of each breed. Consider the temperament, fertility, and disease resistance of the breeds you're interested in to make informed choices. Step 3. Set up suitable infrastructure. Creating a suitable environment for your goats is essential for their well-being and productivity. Proper housing is crucial, providing shelter from harsh weather and adequate ventilation. Ensuring a secure, predator-proof environment is vital for the safety of your herd. Ample space for the goats to move around comfortably is a must. Design functional feeding and watering systems that are easy to clean and maintain. A well-planned waste management system will keep your farm clean and hygienic. Step 4. Implement effective nutrition and health practices. Your goats' health and nutrition are at the heart of a thriving farm. Develop a feeding program that caters to their specific dietary needs, including a balanced diet rich in roughage, grains, and minerals. Regularly monitor your goats' body condition and adjust their diet accordingly. Building a strong partnership with a trusted veterinarian is crucial for regular health checkups, vaccinations, and disease prevention and treatment. Proper sanitation, parasite control, and biosecurity protocols are vital to maintain their health and productivity. Step 5. Plan breeding and reproduction strategies. Strategic breeding and reproduction are key to a productive goat farm. Understanding breeding cycles and optimal breeding ages for your chosen breed is essential. Implementing proper record keeping helps track breeding dates, pregnancies, and kitting information. Learn about heat detection, artificial insemination, and natural breeding methods to optimize the productivity of your herd. Tailor your breeding plan to align with your desired outcomes and market demands, focusing on genetic improvement, milk production, and meat quality. Step 6. Develop marketing and sales strategies. Effectively marketing and selling your products are vital for profitability. Identify your target customers, whether individuals seeking raw milk, cheesemakers, or meat consumers. Creating a strong brand presence through a farm logo, website, and social media is crucial. Explore various marketing channels like farmers markets, online platforms, and local business partnerships. Develop sales strategies that showcase the uniqueness of your products, such as offering diverse flavors of goat cheese or providing personalized customer experiences. Emphasize the quality, freshness, and sustainability of your products to attract loyal customers. Step 7. Continuous learning and improvement. As a goat farmer, never stop learning and growing. Stay updated with the latest advancements in goat farming practices, healthcare, and nutrition. Attend workshops and industry events to connect with fellow farmers and experts. Embrace innovation and technology to streamline farm operations and increase productivity. Be open to customer feedback and adapt your strategies to meet their changing needs. Continuous learning and improvement are the keys to a successful and flourishing goat farm. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of profitable goat farming. We hope this ultimate guide has provided you with valuable insights and knowledge. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and share it with others who share your passion for goat farming. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and updates. Feel free to leave your questions and comments below. We love hearing from fellow goat enthusiasts. Until next time, happy goat farming!